Hey guys, welcome back to Palmy Tea. On this time we are going to be making a blueberry mug cup with strawberry jam in the middle, and it is absolutely delicious. So let's get started. So first you want to add 1/4 cup of self-rising flour. You put it in there. Next you want to add 2 tablespoons of raw cane sugar. No, you can use any type of sugar. I just use raw cane sugar. There's 1 and there's 2. Next, you want to add 3 tablespoons of milk. I have already measured it out. Then you want to add 1 tablespoon of oil. And then you just want to mix that together. And it should look like that when you're done. Once you have that, you want to add your blueberries. I usually do 6, but you can do however many you want. You just pop these in here, like so. Then you want to add 1 tablespoon of strawberry jam. Right in the middle. Okay, and then it should look like that, and then you want to put it in the microwave for 1 minute on high. But if it is not cooked all the way, you want to add 20 more seconds. Let's just check it out. Ooh, that looks good. And be careful, this is really hot. Would you look at that? This is absolutely amazing. Well, enjoy!